guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for this video, I'm going to unboxing the Broken Gigant Black Premium, and that's the FMA chassis. And let's see. Let's see around the box. Okay. So the item number is 95512. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so here is the smoke black body. Wow, my goodness, it looks so cool. And here's all the covers, the motor covers, gear covers, battery lock, and the switch is black. And this is the white FMA chassis, and this is the ABS chassis. Okay, the ABS, and the gear ratio for this one is 3.5. So 3.5 gear ratios, and medium 6-spoke tire, and this is color gray. So 6-spoke. And this is the medium tire, and this is the hard tire. So color red, hard tires. And here is the stickers. Ooh, looks so good, so good, man. So this is basically everything for this unit. Okay, so let's talk about the value for this car. The value of this car is pretty good, actually. Even though it only comes with the ABS chassis, but still, it comes with the high-speed gear, and it comes with the hard tires and the 6-spoke wheels. Actually, I pretty like this kind of a 6-spoke wheels. It's pretty good. So I would say for the value, I will give this one, I would say 3.5. And then let's talk about next collectability. I would definitely give this one 5, because this is like very special edition, and the color and for the body and chassis it's my favorite colors. I like black and white, especially like those two colors mixed together. Plus it has a red, and those three colors my favorite colors, so I would definitely give it 5. And for the so this one give him 5 star. And next one, the modifiability, this one I will give him around 4. This one I'll give him 4. So this one, let's say, I would say this car is very good options for people who ever wants to using for the stock race, because it's FMA. So if you want to using for the stock race, this is also gonna be a good choice, because I have seen people using the Broken Gigant and race on the stock race, and runs pretty good. And because there's you can like match some rollers, because I think last time when I went Toronto, then I see people are like, the one he has is the Super FM, but the FMA is, I think it's gonna be like not better, but I would say we're doing good as well, same as the Super FM. So, and plus this one come with the medium wheels and hard tires, and high speed gear ratios, because for the Super FM, if you want to go with the high speed gear, and that counts as a modify. So for the stock race, you can use high speed gear, but this one comes with the high speed gear already. So it's pretty good option for the stock race, and also for tune race, that'll be good as well. But for open class, then you might have a little bit trouble with the body it has, because the body this one is quite big, so you might having hard time to do the body damper stuff, unless if you just do the side damper, like no body damper, that kind of setup. Otherwise this one will be you're gonna have a little bit hard time on that. But totally, like the for modification, like the modifiability for this one it's 4. I will give him 4. So yeah, there's no question about it. So this is today's unboxing video, and if you like this video and you want to see more video like this, please like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Thank you.